Okay, you don't reach my yard. Just dey come, just dey come. In the last apartment. You go see me for there. Ah, only God know wetin I go do this girl. They come find man for house abi. Even on Sunday too. I go samba here.
Surprise!
Show me surprise. Bros, what's up? Who you dey look for?
Which one be bros? I'm not bros.
Yeah, what?
I'm the girl you book now.
You say?
I say I'm the girl you book.
Okay, the girl I book.
Yes.
God forbid.
Surprise! I shock abi.
I go blow it for mouth with other surprise. I go blow it for mouth now. God forbid bad thing. How I go book my own fellow man? Eh? You look at me well. I look like homo. How I go book my own fellow man? Okay? You go dey step up from here. It's like na wrong apartment be this.
Oh no, you can try the line again now. It's me.
It's,
Now you don't see my face in my profile. You have been talking for 3 months now.
Jesus. So wait. You mean say I dey follow you dey talk?
You have been sending me money. You have been sending me. Let's go inside you. Let me give you what you deserve. Why you behave like this? You're not even behaving well.
God forbid bad thing. You go inside where? So
let's go inside.
I dey follow transgender dey talk all this one.
I'm not a transgender.
I no be transgender job. Which one be say it's not be transgender?
I'm homo. I'm homo. I said I be homo.
You be homo?
Eh.
You say wetin again? I will homonize you now. If you no leave this my house, I will
homonize you to this one.
It has nothing to where. Ah, Jesus. Even this kind of hot afternoon. I dey follow my mama dey talk.
Okay, see, you know what? No be you go do me now. Like, no be me go do me. You go do me. You go do me.
Which one be say no be me go do you? Oga.
I don't come. We must do this thing today.
You don't come here. You don't fight me. Jesus. I put my head to the blood of Jesus.
Let's just do it skin to skin.
Lord of Jesus.